What if the bread was cheese? Sorry I haven't posted for a couple of days. I had so many leftovers from this weekend that I had to get through before making anything new, but now I'm back with one of my best ideas yet. And no, it's not roasting garlic pepper potatoes in the air fryer, although it is a fantastic way to make them. No, I've seen people going nuts over this grilling cheese phenomenon, but I've never seen anyone actually do anything with it except eat it, and that's boring as all get out. So I figured, kinda like the Flying Spudman that I did, why not use the cheese as the buns for an olive burger? So a seasoned quarter-pound burger went on the griddle, and when it was about half done, on went the cheese until they all finished at the same time. So let's build a burger. First goes the piece of cheese, olive sauce, you can see me make in another video, perfectly cooked burger, ketchup and mustard, a delicious slice of tomato, and what turned out to be my last sandwich slice pickle. Finally that last slice of cheese, and then we slice. And the potatoes finished right on time. Turned out a little greasy and a bit of a mess to eat, but man oh man was it worth it.